Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. Don't know how I look, but that's not what the video is about, right? Here we have what I thought was going to cause me a huge accident. So this right here is part number 4C347E069BA. And the connecting rod, see, I'm trying to remember to put the actual part numbers now in my videos. 4C3Z7B051FA. This is what controls your 2- and 4-wheel drive and all of your, well, most of your Super Duty pickups that have the floor shifter. And I couldn't find a video on this, so I figured a better time to make a video, to make one on something I can't even find. So there we go. I think it's these, probably not though. I thought they would just be Phillips heads, but I guess we're gonna find out. Oh, nice. They none of them want to move, so that's good. Yep. Can I even see if I'm using the right one? Not really. Oh, okay. Can I get it? Nope. Interesting. Okay. I can't even decipher if it is in fact a Phillips head, just like the old ones were. Well, let's clean out these holes first, YouTube. I'm going to show you all. If yours looks anything like mine, you're going to have to clean them out first, I guess. And I'm going to spray a bunch of PB Blaster and stuff to clean them out, because obviously they're not just going to come out, despite my best beliefs. Alright, YouTube, after lots of persuasion, I got it out. 2 bolts I had to cut the heads off, unfortunately. But there you go. Here's the shifter. You can see how loose it is. And now I had zip ties holding it in temporarily, just so the whole thing wouldn't just collapse out of there. So now I'm going to cut all these zip ties in a minute. And I also have to get these bolts out. So I'm going to grab something. I'll think of something to pull her out. There we go. There's a bunch of crud. Yeah. Good time to clean. Ooh, look, I'm rich. Penny. Alright, let me get those zip ties, YouTube. Let's cut this. Cut those zip ties out. Alright, YouTube, with your handy dandy, I believe it's an 18mm impact gun here. Let's see if I can get it on just like so. And a little baby extension. Back it up a little, hope you can all still see. Alright, YouTube. Let's see if we can persuade it. Cool. Drop that down. Now we only have one other bolt. And I think I'm going to spray that down first, YouTube. I don't know what you all think, but I think that's a safe thing to do in a case like this. Alright, YouTube, so not only did we spray that bolt, we also got the entire bracket out. You basically just have to pry away at the end there, and you can go all down here so you can see. I mean, look at how much resistance there alone, and you can see the entire bushing has popped out. This was very, very shot. I also sprayed this down because I'm probably not going to reuse those bolts, but I need this bracket, so yep. Let's attempt, I guess, to pop this out, which is also a 21. Fingers crossed, applesauce, all the magical things. Alright, and there we have it. There's the last little bit of our bracket. The rest should theoretically be pretty easy as long as I can get those bolts off of this. So we have our new bracket over here. I guess we can, for starters, let's just compare that though. Look at, that's almost 20 years worth of salt and grime in the east end over here. And we have our new bracket. Let's take a little gander. Put you all right about there. Hopefully that's an okay shot. So all you have to do is wiggle this piece on. Seems like it just the rubber grommet is what holds it in. Probably doesn't hurt to add a little bit of grease. This might actually have to be pressed in. Yep. So I'm gonna press this in, YouTube. Hopefully it's not too much of a pain. Oh boy, YouTube. This is a week later, and what a mess. Don't do what I did and try to use a press to get it on. You'll end up destroying the tip of that assembly. But I did get it all together. The hardest part is actually wiggling that connecting rod underneath on. You can see it down there. Yeah, not fun at all. So let's pop this off. I already have brand new screws for this, and I have it in 4 low to hopefully make my life a little easier. it will though. One went in. What about this one? That one's going in. About this one. This one I actually can't tell if it's going in. Alright, YouTube, hold on a second. Let me get this in and I'll report back to y'all.